Hello everyone and welcome to this simple Compass guide. This guide will be about how to make a reprocessing list in Compass. Building a reprocessing list in Compass is mostly useful when you want to process data with an updated or new method. And when you have large data sets, then you will not need to process each file individually. So the way of making a new reprocessing list is by clicking on File and then New Reprocessing List. Now you can here add a number of lines. So I will just leave it at 5 for now. And now you can name your reprocessing list. I will name it Test 1. Okay. Now it will open here. And now you can select, by clicking on these dots, you can select your chromatogram. So the files will open. And now I will just select a few chromatograms. So I have now selected 5 chromatograms. And here you can see that it's with the front FID. If I had a multiple channel GC, you can change that as well here. And now you can select your method. So what you will do is click on these dots and I will select my method. And you will need to do that for each individually. Normally when you've run your standard on the same GC, then it's already done, but this is not the case for me. So now I have the methods in here and you can see that it's with the front channel. You can change the sample type here, so you have a few options. So for example, if you have a standard with calibration levels and etc., you can change that here and then it will reprocess this data file as that it is now a standard at a calibration level which you've chosen. You can also name it as a blank or as a control sample or a control sample. I will just leave it as unknown for now. When you want to add lines, you can simply just click on the plus. And when you want to remove a line, you can simply just click on the minus. And the way of starting the reprocessing list by clicking on start here on the start button. And now it will say a warning. Read-only chromatograms will not be processed. And do you really want to continue? Yes. So now it will calculate. And that's the way of running a reprocessing list.